Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends! We are so happy to see you today.
Yes, today we have a really fun topic. A topic that everyone needs in real life.
Ooh, I love this one. Let me guess. Is it about food?
Ha! Close! It's about eating at a restaurant.
Oh yes, I love restaurants, especially when someone else cooks the food.
Haha, same here. Cooking is hard. Ordering food is easy, if you know the right words.
That's true. Many people feel nervous at a restaurant. They don't know what to say.
Exactly. So today we will learn simple English for the restaurant. Easy words, easy sentences.
Perfect for beginners. Slow and clear, like always.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel. We make new videos every week to help you speak English better.
Okay, are you ready, Alice?
Yes, let's go to the restaurant.
Let's go. Okay, so imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. What is the first thing you hear?
Usually, someone says, "Hello, table for how many?"
Yes, that's a very common question. Table for how many?
It means, how many people are with you?
Right. So if you are alone, you say,
Table for one, please.
and if you are with a friend?
Table for two, please.
Good. Let's repeat that together, slowly.
Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
Easy, right?
Very easy. Now sometimes the waiter says, right this way. What does that mean?
It means, follow me.
Yes, this way means in this direction. So the waiter walks and you follow.
I remember my first time in an English restaurant. The waiter said, right this way, and I just stood there.
Why?
I didn't understand. I thought he said something about writing.
Oh no! Right this way and right sound similar, but they are different.
Yes, big mistake. Now I understand it very well.
Good lesson for everyone. Right this way means please follow me.
Let's say it together. Right this way.
Right this way.
Perfect.
Okay, now you are sitting at the table. What comes next?
The waiter gives you a menu.
Yes, a menu is the list of food and drinks.
And sometimes the waiter asks, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Good phrase. It means, what do you want to drink?
So you can answer, "Just water, please." Or, "I'll have a coffee, please."
Nice. Let's practice. Alice, what do you want to drink?
I'll have a lemonade, please.
Good choice. I'll have a coffee, please.
Let's repeat this phrase together. I'll have a coffee, please.
I'll have a coffee, please.
Great. Now you try it at home. Say your favorite drink.
Yes, pause the video and say it out loud. Practice speaking, not just listening.
That's how you really learn.
Now, you look at the menu. Sometimes it's difficult to choose, right?
So difficult. I always take a long time.
Haha, me too. If you need more time, you can say, can we have a few more minutes?
Good phrase. It means we are not ready yet.
Right. And if you have a question about the food, you can ask, what is this dish?
Or, what do you recommend?
Recommend means, give me your suggestion. Like, what is good here?
I love asking that question. The waiter always knows the best food.
True. So let's practice. Alice, imagine you are the waiter. I ask you a question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me, what do you recommend?
I recommend the chicken soup. It's very popular here.
Sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Great choice.
Let's repeat the key phrase. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. Now you try. Ask your screen right now. What do you recommend?
Haha, talking to the screen. But it really helps you remember.
Okay, now it's time to order. This is the most important part.
Yes, the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
And you say, "Yes, I am." Or, "Not yet. One more minute, please."
Let's practice ordering food. I will be the waiter again.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
Can I also have a salad?
Of course. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Perfect. Coming right up.
Coming right up. What does that mean, Alice?
It means your food is coming soon.
Nice, easy phrase. Let's repeat the important sentence. I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
You can change grilled chicken to any food you like.
Yes. For example, I'd like the pizza, please. I'd like the soup, please.
Very useful. Now, Alice, what is your favorite phrase for ordering?
I love saying, "Can I have?" It's simple and polite.
Good one. Can I have the pasta, please?
Yes, simple, short, and everyone understands you.
Sometimes we have special needs. For example, allergies.
Yes, this is important. If you cannot eat something, you must tell the waiter.
Right. You can say, "I'm allergic to nuts," or "I can't eat seafood."
Good phrases. Let's repeat. I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
And if you just don't like something, you can say, "No onions, please," or "Without cheese, please."
Haha, I always say no onions. I really don't like onions.
Really? I love onions.
Haha, everyone is different. That's okay.
So remember, without is a very useful word. Without sugar, without ice, without spice.
Great examples. Let's practice together. Say, "Without onions, please."
Without onions, please.
Perfect. Now you try at home. Think of a food you don't like and say, "Without, please." Okay, now you ordered your food. What do you do while you wait?
Haha, usually I talk with my friends or check my phone.
Haha, me too. But sometimes the waiter comes back and asks, "Is everything okay so far?"
Good question. It means, "Are you happy right now?"
Yes, you can answer, "Yes, everything is great, thank you."
Or if something is wrong, you say, "Actually, can I ask for some more bread?"
Good phrase. Can I ask for is very polite and useful.
Let's repeat it. Can I ask for more bread, please?
Can I ask for more bread, please?
You can change bread to anything. More water, more napkins, more time.
Haha, more time. Good for people like me who eat slowly.
Haha, so true, David. You always eat so slowly.
I like to enjoy my food, no rushing. Finally, the food arrives. This is the best part.
Yes, the waiter usually says, "Enjoy your meal."
Nice phrase. And you can answer, "Thank you. This looks delicious."
Delicious means very, very good food.
Right. Let's repeat. This looks delicious.
This looks delicious.
Now imagine your food is not correct. For example, you ordered chicken but they gave you fish.
Oh no, what do we say then?
You can say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the chicken."
Good sentence, very polite, very clear.
Let's repeat together. I ordered the chicken.
I ordered the chicken.
Perfect. Remember, always be polite when you talk to the waiter. A smile helps too.
Yes, kindness makes everything easier.
Now, let's say the food is amazing. What do we say?
We say, "This is so good," or "I love this dish."
Great phrases. Also, you can say, "Can I get the recipe?" Haha, just joking.
Haha, sometimes I really want to ask that.
Me too. Some food is just too good.
Let's repeat a simple compliment. This is delicious.
This is delicious.
Very tasty.
Very tasty.
Two easy words, delicious and tasty. Use them often.
Okay, now the meal is finished. What is the next step?
We ask for the bill.
Yes, in American English we say, "Check please." In British English, people say, "Bill please."
Good to know both. Let's practice. Check, please.
Check please.
Bill, please.
Bill please.
Simple and short. Perfect for beginners.
You can also say, "Can we have the check, please?" This is more polite.
Yes, adding "can we have" makes it sound softer and friendlier.
Let's repeat that too. Can we have the check, please?
Can we have the check, please?
Great job.
Now it's time to pay. The waiter might ask, "How would you like to pay? Cash or card?"
Good question. You can answer, "Card, please," or "Cash, please."
Simple and clear. Now let's talk about tipping.
Ah, yes, tipping. This is different in every country.
True. In some countries, tipping is normal. In other countries, it's not necessary.
A tip means extra money you give to say thank you for good service.
Right. You can say, "Keep the change." This means you can keep the extra money.
Right. You can say keep the change. This means you can keep the extra money.
Nice phrase. Let's repeat. Keep the change.
Keep the change.
And after paying, you can say, "Thank you, have a good day."
Friendly and polite. Perfect way to end the meal. Okay, now let's practice with some questions. Alice will ask, and you answer at home. Pause the video if you need time.
Question 1. What do you say when you enter a restaurant with 3 friends?
Think about it. The answer is, "Table for 4, please."
Question 2. How do you ask the waiter for a suggestion?
The answer is, "What do you recommend?"
Question 3. How do you tell the waiter you don't want onions?
The answer is, "Without onions, please," or "No onions, please."
Question 4. How do you ask for the bill?
The answer is, "Check, please," or "Can we have the check, please?"
Great job, everyone. You are learning so fast.
Yes, I'm proud of you. Restaurant English is not so hard now, right?
Not hard at all. Just practice and you will remember it easily.
Okay, let's review all the important phrases one more time. Repeat after us, slowly.
Table for 2, please.
Table for 2, please.
I'll have a coffee, please.
I'll have a coffee, please.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I'd like the chicken, please.
I'd like the chicken, please.
Without onions, please.
Without onions, please.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
Can we have the check, please?
Can we have the check, please?
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Wonderful! You just learned so many useful phrases today.
Yes, and remember, practice makes progress. Try to use these phrases in real life.
Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. I still make mistakes sometimes, and I'm okay with it.
Haha, remember when you said right this way wrong?
That was you, not me.
Oh, haha, you're right. My mistake.
See, even teachers make mistakes. It's all part of learning. Okay, friends, that's all for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning restaurant English with us.
If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.
Now, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite meal?
Yes, write it in English. Practice makes you stronger.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.